Every major event requires a presence on the ground. This time in Oregon, Jordan Ford will represent TVJ.
How do I feel about the opportunity to cover the World Championships? I think it's a tremendous honor. It's obviously something that I have covered from here in Jamaica, being in studio, being on TV, and doing the panel shows pre and post for Championships is that I think that the Jamaican team will do very well. I think that 2017 was a blip for the Jamaicans, a bad spot where the team didn't do as well as expected for several reasons, but it was a transitional phase. I think 2019 we started to see things trend back in the right direction, and then at the Olympic Games last year in 2021 in Tokyo, you saw a lot more of what could be expected from the Jamaicans to come. I think the men's sprinting, for example, especially at the national championships, was very good. And I think it was a pleasant surprise for me and for many others. And I think once again, we can consider ourselves as Jamaicans contenders in men's sprinting. The women's sprinting, we don't need to say much about that. I think the Jamaican women have done exceptionally well and are still at the very top of the game. And I think there are some field event athletes who have joined the party. Yes, there have been injuries for some of the more fancied athletes, including, say, a Frederick Dakers. Shanika Ricketts is always a medal contender in the triple jump. And you look at the other areas, the men's 400, not coming to the fore so much, but the women's 400, still very, very good competitors there. 400 meter hurdles for women, still strong competition there as well. And I think generally speaking, we'll see medals from the Jamaicans where we expect, and I think there may be one or two surprises in there as well.